Old Quarter of Hanoi. We found this past this really cool street. We're going to try and find somewhere to eat there for lunch. It's over there. Yeah. Past all the creepy gravestones, shops. There it is. It just looks really cool. Gotta be careful because it's actually a road. Really? I think we found a dead end. We might go somewhere else to look for a lunch. Well, we thought it's the end of the line, but actually goes that way as well. And there's a temple here behind me. Random cafe.